Hi friends, in this problem we are given a semicircle with its diameter AB. From C, a point on AB from which is a C on diameter, this point C, a line perpendicular to AB is drawn, meeting the circumference of the semicircle at D. Right, this CD is perpendicular to AB. Right, given that AC is 2 centimeters and CD is 6 centimeters, the area of the semicircle. Area of the semicircle, what we need? We need the length of the radius. Right, that's how we can calculate area of semicircle. Now our goal is to calculate the length of this radius. How do we find this? We will use some semicircle properties. What are those properties? Angle in a semicircle is 90 degrees. What does that mean? This angle D. This is 90 degrees. Let's see how we can use this. Right. What is given? AC is AC is 2. This is 2. And CD is 6. And this is perpendicular already given. That means AD is what? AD is under root 6 square plus 2 square, which is root 40. Right. Because ACD is a right angle triangle. Right. Pythagoras theorem. We are at AD. Right. Now, how do we find what is AB? So far, so good. Now, here there is a right angle triangle. Right. Let's compare these triangles ABD and ACD. Right. Or in fact ADB and ABD. ADB and ABD. Both are right angle triangles. Right. ACD and ADB both are right angle triangles. Now, and one of the angles is same. Right. This angle is same. For example, ADB is like this. DAB. Right. Now, let's draw another triangle which is C. C is also right angle. C is also right angle. Then angle A is A and angle D is this. If A is equal to A and this, then obviously this angle should be equal to this angle. That is ABD. ABD. This angle is equal to ADC. 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 This angle, right? Because because total angles is 180 degrees. One of them is 90, another is same. The third one also should be same. This is a very important property of right angle triangles. In any right angle triangle, this is a right angle triangle. If you are drawing a perpendicular, obviously, so that will also make another right angle triangle, right? So the two triangles that are formed are actually similar to the parent triangle. Right. Why? Because here we have proved that this triangle ACD or ACD is similar to ADB. Right. ACD is similar to ADB. Similarly, we can prove that DCB is similar to ABD. Again, let's see. This DAB, this is the parent triangle. Now again, let's take this C. C is again right angle. This is C and angle B is same. Right. And this is angle D. Right. This is right angle again. This is right angle. So this is right angle DCB. DCB is right angle. Similarly, ADB. ADB is right angle. So D corresponds to C. Angle B is same in both places. Angle B is same. And CDB. CDB should be equal to DAB, this angle, right? Because this is same, this is 90 degrees, this is 90 degrees in both places. And this is the same angle B, this is the same thing. So the third angle should be equal to third angle. So essentially what we are saying, any right angle triangle, if you are drawing a perpendicular, right, onto the hypotenuse, then it will create two similar right angle triangles to that of the parent. Right, we have proved both of them. Right. Now in this case, because these are similar triangles, right? We are not worried about the second side of this. We are worried about ADB and ACD. Right. These two are similar triangles. Now, what is AD? AD is root 40. We have figured out. Right. What is AC? AC is 2. That also we have figured out. What is CD? CD is 6. What is BD? BD we don't know. What is AB? AB also we don't know. Right. And what is AD? AD is again root 40. Right. What does this mean? This AB by this root 40. Similar triangles, right? AB by root 40 is equal to what? This root 40 by this 2. These are the same corresponding sides, right? This root 40 by this 2. What does that mean? AB is equal to root 40 into root 40, 40 by 2, which is equal to 20. If AB is 20, which is diameter, that means radius is 10. Radius is 10. Right. And so what is the area? We want radius only, right? To calculate area of the semicircle. Area of semicircle is half into pi r square. Pi r square is for the overall circle and half of it is for the semicircle, which is half into pi into what is the radius? Radius is 10 into 100, which is equal to 50 pi. That is our answer. Right. We need to find radius. And how do we find radius? Because we are using similarity of triangles. A right angle within another right angle triangle, these are similar. So we don't need, so we just compared the sides. The ratio of the sides of similar triangles is same, right? We compared the sides to arrive at what exactly is the radius. Thank you guys.